Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And this video is going to be a haul. I know, it's surprising, I'm supposed to be better with money, but I still bought things and I still want to show you what I bought. So I have things from Sephora and I have an order of clothing from ASOS. And I will show you the clothing items on because I have a giant new full-length mirror so that I can show you what they look like. I'm planning to do like a what I wore in a week video as well. Not this week, but I am planning to do that in the future, and that mirror will help like 1,000 times more. And I love it, like seriously I love it. I've been posting outfit photos on my Instagram pretty much daily on my Instagram stories, so if you want to follow me, I'll put my handle on the screen, but it's just at Rebellious Clove, and that's sort of where everything goes. That's everything that I'm doing is on that spot. So let's just get into it and I'll show you what I got from Sephora first, okay? Okay, item number one is this Origins Super Spot Remover Acne Gel Treatment. There is a lot of writing on this tiny little box, but for the most part it is an acne gel. It comes in this tiny little container. I haven't used it yet, I only got this yesterday, but I've been having a lot of trouble with like pimples on my chin, and I know they're probably hormonal or something, or just because I touch this part of my face a lot. I am a face toucher and I touch this part of my face a lot, and I don't have anything to help with this at all because for the most part I have really good skin and I'm not going to complain about that, but I didn't have anything on hand. So this is the tiny little bottle. It was $21, I think, if I remember correctly, and I'm just hoping that it does help, and it also helps with some of like the scarring because I'm also a picker, which is unfortunate. Yeah, so I end up with scars and like red marks and stuff. Item number two is this ColourPop eyeshadow. So it's the Super Shock Shadow. And it's in the special like Sephora packaging. It is, what color is it? Oh, it's in Revolution. So I don't want to rip the box because it's pretty. It has like little confetti all over it. Ugh. Okay, well the box is probably gonna get ripped. I have opened this already and like swatched it, so yeah, this one is really nice. I thought it was going to be like from the pot because it's quite dark in there. It looks like it would be dark, but I'll swatch some for you so you can see. So this is what it looks like on my finger, and then when you swipe it, it's actually not that intense. It's just more glittery. And I think I really like that. I really like pink eyeshadow at the moment, and this comes across on my skin anyway as quite pink. So I'm looking forward to playing with this. I'm probably going to wear it tomorrow, to be honest. The third item in this haul is this ColourPop Semi-Precious Shadow Palette. I honestly wasn't going to keep this after I bought it because I was thinking I don't need it, but then I opened it and it's so beautiful. I haven't swatched anything in it, so this is what it looks like when you open it. It's quite thin and compact, and there's no mirror or anything, but it just has 8 beautiful shadows. And you know what? I think I'm just gonna keep it. I got rid of a lot of my makeup before, and I don't have any of these like metallic, like actual metal looking shadows anymore, so I think I'm gonna justify it and I'm gonna keep it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. On to the freebies that I got in my package. So item number one is a little sachet of fresh rose face mask. I'm going to assume this smells like rose, which I'm probably going to have a problem with the scent, but I'm going to put this on probably tonight because my skin is so dry it feels itchy right now. And I need all the things. I've put on 5 different moisturizing masks in the last week to try and combat this. I did it to myself. I know I did it to myself because I put on a new moisturizer that I had not tested, and it was, oh, you'll hear about it, but basically it was glittery, and my skin does not do well with glowy products because of the glitter in it. It like tries to eat it, and then it gives me a rash, and then itchy, and then dry. So that was fun, and now I am trying to counteract that with all the things. Alright, this was another freebie that I got through a promo code on Sephora. So this is a Bite Beauty matte cream lip crayon with resveratrol. I don't know what that means. It's in the color Leche, which is a very, very good color. I've already swatched this one as well, but I put it back in the box. So this is, oh my god. So this is the color. It's never going to focus. For some reason, my camera does not focus on the thing, no matter how much I get it to, or I try to. This is what it looks like. Let's see if I can swatch for you. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. This looks like a color I would actually try to wear. So, yeah, I look forward to trying it out, to be honest. I'm looking to actually kind of up my lippy game this year. So, that is that. Last thing from Sephora, and I rushed through that so fast that I am out of breath, although the time meter on that does not say I rushed through it. Anyway, so this was my 100 point perk. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a baby Fenty Beauty lipstick. It's one of the Mademoiselle, I think they're called. Yeah, Mademoiselle. It's the color Griselda. I have not swatched this yet because it has the Fenty Beauty stamp in the very end of the lipstick, which you can't see, but it looks like it's almost black, and I know it's going to be really dark, so let's swatch it together. Oh god. Oh yeah, that's pretty much the color I thought it was going to be. So this is the color. Wow, that's intense, man. What do you guys think? Do you think I can pull it off? I think I'm gonna try it. I will look out on my Instagram or something for a post, because seriously, it's a good color, and if it stays on a long time, and it doesn't even smell that bad either. I'm not sure which of the products on my hand it smells like vanilla, but it doesn't smell like overly strong or I'll have a problem with it. So okay, so item number 1 from ASOS is, or ASOS, I feel like it sounds better when British people say it. Let's face it, they always sound better at everything. Is this cute little hand bracelet. So it's from their Curve range, which means it does fit on plus size, which, like, this is the largest setting and it's going over my hand. Obviously I'd need to tighten it, but like, that's what it looks like. It's very cute. I like it. I just, how the hell am I gonna tighten that? I really like it though. So that's that. I don't think it was that expensive either. And as long as it doesn't turn me green, we're all good. Okay, on to the clothing items. They're both black, and so they're going to be really hard to see the details, but I will show them to you in the mirror if I can. So this is a black t-shirt. It's kind of cropped. And it has a surprise on the back. It has this fun, like, flappy bit. I'm not even sure if you guys can see that, to be honest. Basically, your head comes in here, right? And it, like, splits open in the back. You'll see in the footage of me trying it on. I'll explain it. Yeah. It honestly, I thought it was going to be way more oversized than it is. It's quite tight around my neck, which is fine. It's sort of similar in fit to the shirt I DIY'd last year, I think, like in the summer, where it's got like the split back and there's a tie in the back and stuff. Similar setup, except this one's black and it doesn't look a little like chopped up and stuff, so. And the last item in this haul is a very large sweatshirt. It is technically a dress. It is a sweatshirt dress. It's black. It has all the details of a typical sweatshirt, except it goes to about 4 inches below my knee, which is pretty awesome, to be honest. That almost never happens in dresses because I'm like 5'9" and a bit. Maybe even 5'10", I don't know, I don't measure myself in terms of height. But I'm tall, and it means that most things are too short on me. So this is nice and long, to the point where I could get away with not wearing leggings under it and still feel comfortable. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. But it's nice and long, and it comes in at the bottom with this bit of, you know, the ribbing or whatever. Same as on a typical sweatshirt, except just really long. Alright everybody, thank you very much for watching this haul video. I appreciate you guys coming back every week. If you do want to be notified, I guess, when I upload a video, you should subscribe and then ring the notification bell or whatever you want to call it, so you actually get a notification when I upload a video. I'm trying out some different days. I'm thinking about switching to a Sunday. How do you guys feel about that? I just feel like it'll give me Saturday to film because I work during the week. And like right now I'm filming this, it's 9:47 at night. And I have all of the lights on in my room. I have a work task light pointed at me. So I just feel like if I could film on a Saturday and upload for Sunday, that would be better for everybody. But let me know what you guys think in the comments on upload dates. Do you guys prefer to have something during the week, on the weekends? I don't know. When do you watch your YouTube? Let me know. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I guess I will see you guys next week. Bye!